Mga kabida, isang magandang oras sa lahat. Welcome po sa aking channel. Ito, pag-usapan po natin, ito pong apila po ngayon ni dating North Cotabato Governor Manny Piñol, kay Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos at ng gobyernong ito, Patungkol po ito, mga kabida, sa usapin po ng leadership dyan ho sa Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao o BARM. Kamakailan lang po, nagpalit po ng bagong Chief Minister, diyan ho sa BARM. At yung bago pong ipinalit po kay Murad Ibrahim, yung chairman po ng MILF at dating Chief Minister, ay ito pong si Makakuwa, yung chief daw ng Bangsamoro Armed Forces, okay? Na hindi po nagustuhan, mga kabida, ng MILF. Okay? Dahil hindi ho daw nasunod yung kanila hong rekomendasyon, mga kabida. Yun yung problema kasi. Parang lumabas po daw, mga kabida, na pinakialaman po ng Malacanang ito pong autonomy po ng BARM, Dito ho pumasok si dating Governor Manny Piñol, Dito ho sa nangyaring ito, Kasi sa kanya pong, sa isa pong balita, mga kabida, mula sa Edge Davao, babasahin ko lang po yung kanilang headline. Ex-North Cot Gov calls out Palace for BARM leadership change. Alright? Ito po, babasahin ko yung kanila pong balita. Posted po ito, March 18, 2025, around 10:18 p.m. Former North Cotabato Governor Emmanuel Piñol on Tuesday called out Malacanang for shaking up the political situation in Bangsamoro region by changing the regional government's leadership, a development that also dismayed the More Islamic Liberation Front or MILF, which claimed that the move allegedly lacked consultations. Ayan. Last night, I received confirmation from sources inside the BARM that an easy atmosphere prevails following the change in the autonomous region's political setup. Initiated by Malacanang, said Piñol, former Agriculture Secretary and Chairperson of the Mindanao Development Authority under the Duterte administration. He was referring to the replacement of MILF Chairperson Ahud Al-Haj Murad Ibrahim by Maguindanao del Norte Governor Abdul Rauf Makakuwa as interim Chief Minister of the BARM. In a statement issued Sunday by the MILF Central Committee following a consultative assembly in the MILF's Camp Darapanan in Sultan Kudarat, Maguindanao del Norte, the MILF also castigated the appointment of Makakuwa. The MILF Central Committee, the front's highest policy-making body, said that it is for the best interest of all that the leadership of the MILF is consulted and its decision be respected on matters of paramount importance to the Bangsamoro. It noted that the national government unilaterally decided the appointment of the new interim Chief Minister. Ang problema po kasi dito, hindi ho nakonsulta ito pong MILF. Kaya nga nagtataka lang po itong MILF kung bakit po lumabas yung pangalan po ni Makakuwa, na wala ho doon sa kanila pong rekomendasyon. Alright? So ito po, nag-alburuto po yung MILF po dito, mga kabida. Okay? Makakuwa took his oath of office at Malacanang Palace last Wednesday, March 12, before President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., who appointed him to the post on March 5 or on March 3, 2025. The Philippine Center for Investigative Journalism broke the news of Makakuwa's appointment last March 9. Piñol urged the Marcos administration to be more circumspect on dealing with the BARM, stressing it should bear in mind that Bangsamoro region, is no longer Imperial Manila's vassal state. Alright? Let us respect the Bangsamoro leadership and let them run their own show with unqualified support so that they will realize their aspirations for their own people. Piñol expressed fears that the BARM leadership shakeup could again lead to security instability in Bangsamoro region, adding that any upheaval will affect North Cotabato due to its proximity to the BARM. Tahimik na ang mga buhay namin. Ayaw na namin ng gulo. Our lives are already peaceful. We don't want another war. Let peace reign in our land by respecting the autonomy of the Bangsamoro region. So yun yung pahayag po ni dating North Cotabato Governor Manny Piñol. Kasi sa North Cotabato po mga kabitan, dami hong Muslim areas po dyan. In fact, may mga areas po dyan, may mga barangay na part po ng BARM. Okay? So, nung time na medyo nagkakagulo po noon, may mga MILF fighters, hindi pa po bumalik po sa folds of the law yung MILF, and halos may mga pagkakataon po yung marami talagang pagkakataon doon na nagkakagera po, mga kabida, po. So, affected talaga yung North Cotabato kung magkakagulo po mga kabida because of this. Hindi ho pagkakaintindihan. Ang problema lang kasi po dito, wala hong konsultasyon. Bakit naman po hindi kinonsulta yung MILF? Alam naman po natin, ito yung isa po sa mga kondisyon ng MILF nung pumayag po silang makipag-negotiate po sa gobyerno po ng Pilipinas. Diba? Bakit po hindi ho sila kinonsulta? Kaya nga po malagtuloy. Ito pong MILF, mga kabida, mantakin nyo, wala doon ho sa kanilang rekomendasyon ang inappoint po ng Pangulo po, Okay? Sana po, mabigyan po ito ng linaw, At mapaliwanag po ng maayos po ito ng gobyerno po natin dito ho sa nag-alburutong Moro Islamic Liberation Front po, mga kabida, So yan lang po yung ipagdasal po natin. Sana po magkaroon po ng magandang pag-uusap ito pong gobyerno po ng Pilipinas, ito pong Marcos administration at ito pong Moro Islamic Liberation Front, mga kabida, po. So yan lang po para po sa inyong comments and opinion. You can comment down. Sa mga hindi pa po subscriber, mga kabida, sa akin channel, please subscribe. Just click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, click all para updated po kayo sa aking mga uploads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. God bless po.